15 simple things that will make your body gain volume faster. I'll give you a heads up that number 3 will surprise you and is the most important of all, so stay until the end so you don't miss it. 15. Diet to achieve the goal of gaining lean muscle mass. An appropriate diet should be your daily priority. Nutrition plays a very important role in mass gains, so it is crucial for achieving lean mass quickly. It's no use dedicating yourself to intense workouts if your body isn't getting the necessary nutrients for growth and you're not following a proper diet. To get better results, it's important to include calorie and nutrient-rich foods in your diet, such as brown rice, sweet potatoes, quinoa, and oats. These foods will provide the necessary energy for more intense workouts, making diet fundamental for muscle mass gain. 14. Rest periods between workouts are as crucial as the exercises themselves in a muscle gain routine. During strength training, it's recommended to take breaks of 1 to 3 minutes between sets, depending on the intensity. This period is ideal for partially recovering muscle energy and being prepared for the next set with the required and increased intensity. For workouts that require more strength, such as deadlifts, longer intervals of up to 5 minutes can be beneficial to ensure safety and adequate strength for repetitions. Therefore, after a set, take a 2-minute rest and then lift weights properly again to avoid joint problems and injuries. Always organize your workouts so that each muscle group has at least 40 hours of recovery before being worked again. This time is sufficient for muscle fiber repair and growth. Reserve at least 1 full rest day per week to allow for overall body recovery, avoiding damage caused by excessive training of the same muscle or fatigue. 13. Sleep. Without a doubt, sleep is crucial for muscle recovery and growth. Even knowing this, many people don't consider sleep as an important part of their muscle gain diet, which is a mistake. It's during sleep that your body performs muscle repair and growth processes, essential for muscle hypertrophy. Therefore, establish a sleep routine. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night and keep a consistent schedule. Additionally, create a sleep-friendly environment. Keep your room dark, quiet, and cool. A tip: if you usually go to bed at 10 p.m. and wake up at 6 a.m., stick to this schedule to regulate your circadian rhythm. 12. Hydration. Hydration is essential for muscle performance and recovery, just like the sleep mentioned earlier. Water helps with nutrient transport and waste elimination from the body. Therefore, it is very important to drink water throughout the day. Stay hydrated by drinking water constantly, especially during and after workouts. Always remember to bring your water bottle, even on cold days. You can use drinks like creatine to enhance strength during workouts and stay hydrated at the same time. This is very important for intense or long workouts. Additionally, sports drinks can help replenish electrolytes. 11. Supplementation. To achieve faster muscle gains, proper use of supplementation is essential. Supplements such as whey protein, creatine, BCAAs, and glutamine are widely used by athletes and bodybuilders, and we've made videos about these supplements on our channel, so check them out after watching this video. Whey protein is a fast-absorbing protein, ideal for post-workout, helping with recovery and muscle growth. Creatine is known for increasing strength and endurance, allowing for more intense and prolonged workouts. It's my favorite supplement, and I use it every day. Let me know yours in the comments. BCAAs, branched-chain amino acids, help reduce muscle fatigue and promote protein synthesis during workouts. Glutamine, in turn, aids in muscle recovery and strengthens the immune system. Therefore, whenever possible, use each supplement during your workouts or on rest days, following the recommended dosage by your nutritionist. 10. Have post-workout meals. The post-workout meal is crucial for recovery and muscle growth. Therefore, it should be done correctly, containing a combination of proteins and carbohydrates to replenish glycogen stores and start muscle recovery. After the workout, consume a good balanced meal that includes a source of protein, such as chicken, fish, or whey protein, and a source of carbohydrates, such as brown rice or sweet potatoes. 9. Increase the load. Progressively. Progressive overload is the practice of gradually increasing the weight you lift during workouts, and this is where many gym beginners fail as they start workouts wanting to lift as much weight as possible without considering factors like injuries and joint issues. This principle is fundamental for muscle growth, as it forces your muscles to adapt and grow. To increase weights properly, observe how easily you perform exercises. If you find that you can complete the repetitions with ease, add a bit more weight. An increase of 2.5 to 5 kilograms at a time is generally effective. If you're using lighter weights, increase the number of repetitions to maintain intensity. For example, if you bench press with 50 kilograms and can complete 12 repetitions easily, increase to 55 kilograms and adjust the number of repetitions if needed. Remember to focus on proper exercise execution rather than speed. 8. Strength training. Strength training is essential for gaining muscle volume, including exercises like squats, deadlifts, bench presses, and rows, which work multiple muscle groups simultaneously, promoting more efficient growth. These exercises are the foundation for mass gain, as they involve a large portion of the musculature, stimulating the release of anabolic hormones like testosterone and GH. To improve your workouts, perform 12 to 15 repetitions per set if you want quicker results in lean mass gain, ensuring you reach muscle failure, which is very important for muscle hypertrophy. Remember what we discussed earlier, gradually increasing weights to effectively stimulate muscle growth. Don't forget to warm up properly before starting exercises, as this prepares your muscles and joints, reducing the risk of injuries. Maintaining good form during exercises is essential to avoid injuries and maximize muscle gains. Additionally, changing your routine every few weeks prevents your muscles from adapting, ensuring continuous progress. 7. Consistency. Maintaining regularity and consistency in workouts is crucial for those who want to gain muscle volume quickly and effectively. It's not useful to follow a rigorous plan for a week and then relax, as many beginners tend to do when starting at the gym. Establishing a workout routine and sticking to it with discipline is essential, respecting both workout days and rest days. The body needs continuous stimulus to grow and adapt, so discipline is indispensable. In addition to being disciplined in workouts, it's crucial to maintain consistency in diet, hydration, and supplementation without failures. Small slip-ups can delay your results, so consistency is key to achieving your goals. A useful tip is to use calendar apps on your phone to remind you of workouts, water intake, creatine, and vitamins. This helps track progress daily and observe workout evolution. However, it's important to remember that results don't appear overnight. Gaining muscle volume is a gradual process that requires patience and dedication, both in workouts and diet. Set realistic goals and celebrate each achievement, no matter how small. Before we continue, please subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any videos, and give this video a like. We will leave a guide on how to gain muscle mass in 14 days in the video description. After watching, click the link in the description and check out our guide. 6. Quality proteins. Proteins are fundamental blocks for muscle building, and to gain volume quickly, it's crucial to consume high-quality proteins. Include varied sources in your diet, such as lean meats, fish, eggs, dairy, legumes, and plant-based proteins like tofu. This protein diversity ensures your body receives all the essential amino acids for muscle synthesis after workouts and throughout the day. When consuming protein, prefer whey protein, which aids in recovery and muscle growth due to its rapid absorption in the body, helping you achieve faster results. Here's a tip for a high-protein shake. Combine your whey protein with a carbohydrate source like a banana, papaya, or avocado and blend it. It tastes great and speeds up absorption, optimizing nutrient use. Set a daily protein intake goal. Typically, 1.6 to 2.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight is recommended for those seeking hypertrophy. Distribute this amount throughout the day, ensuring each meal contains an adequate portion of protein. Always remember to consult your nutritionist before starting any diet. 5. Variety in exercises. It's common over time to feel that workouts aren't having the same effect and to experience a sense of stagnation, as if muscles are no longer growing. To avoid this, it's essential to diversify your workouts regularly, ideally every 3 to 6 months, depending on the intensity and goal of the workouts. Changing the routine challenges muscles in new ways, promoting continuous growth and increasing muscle volume, giving the feeling of always being full and large. Try different types of exercises, both compound and isolation, and change the order, number of sets, repetitions, and loads used. This way, you'll avoid workout stagnation and continue to stimulate muscle growth. 4. Negative repetitions. Many don't know, but negative repetitions focus on the eccentric or negative phase of the movement, when the muscle is stretching under load. This can help overcome plateaus and stimulate muscle growth. An important tip is to execute the movement slowly. Focus on lowering the weight at a rate of 3 to 4 seconds during the negative phase for greater muscle gains. Perform the movement with a heavier weight than usual and ask for help to lift the weight. These exercises are ideal to be done with a partner. For example, during the bench press, ask a partner to help lift the weight and focus on lowering it slowly to maximize the negative phase. 3. Rest-pause method. This method will surprise you. Known as the rest-pause method, it involves performing an exercise to muscle failure, resting briefly, and then continuing with more repetitions. This helps increase the volume and intensity of the workout. Therefore, before performing this workout, remember to use your creatine to have more endurance and strength to execute the exercise properly. To apply this method, perform a set with a high weight until failure, rest for 10 to 15 seconds, and then do more repetitions. For example, you can do a bench press set to failure with 80 kilograms, rest for 15 seconds, and continue with 3 to 4 more repetitions. 2. Consume quality carbohydrates. Carbohydrates provide the energy needed for intense workouts and aid in muscle recovery. Choosing quality carbohydrates is crucial to maximize muscle growth quickly through the carbohydrates in our diet. Always prefer complex carbohydrates. Include foods like oats, quinoa, and sweet potatoes in your diet, and stay away from refined sugars. Reduce the consumption of sweets and sugary drinks that can lead to fat gain. 1. Use isolation techniques in finishes. Isolation techniques. Focus on a specific muscle to maximize work and promote growth in areas that might be underdeveloped. That's why leave this tip for last, as you need to be well-focused and have some experience in training to perform this type of exercise effectively. Add isolation sets at the end of the workout. After compound exercises, do isolation sets for specific muscles. Use various angles. Perform exercises that target the muscle from different angles. For example, after doing your bench press workout, do a set of dumbbell flies. This will help promote even greater muscle gains. Did you like the video? Give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss any videos. I will leave a guide on how to gain muscle mass in 14 days in the description. Thank you for watching.